Well, we've had a bit of a turn around for it as well.
Hello, beautiful peeps. How is it going? Just under the trees. In the trees. Whoop whoop. Feeling at ease. Whoop whoop. Feeling the peace. Whoop whoop. Cold winter breeze. Uh-oh. Um. Oh, it's so nice today. So I've come out for a little walk and to get some fresh air. So there's been quite a lot of ducks out today, which, yeah, very beautiful little creatures. I'm so grateful to see them while I'm going along on my little journey. I feel like I sort of party pooped and peed on someone's parade because they were feeding the ducks bread, and I kindly informed them that ducks aren't meant to eat bread. It's actually really bad for them. So I suggested feeding them peas or another, searching on the internet, see what they can eat that you've got. And I should have said to her to have a look to find out for herself, but I'm sure she's smart and will do that anyway. But yeah, so if you're out and you want to feed the duckies, please don't feed them bread because it's not good for them. Animals kind of, I feel like, need to eat whole foods. Well, they're meant to eat whole foods as well. Their bodies can't processed. Not come out for a long walk and feel like I'm gonna go home. I even saw one duck that was like Dalmatian, and here's a little ducky now. I'll put some of the video on there because they seem a bit stuck right now where I can see them. But maybe I can get around the side and get some better footage. The whole little pond is frozen over as well, or lakey pondy thing. I'll show you. Hey, little Dalmatian duck and his buddy, or her buddy. I feel like she's a she. I don't know why. But their little buddy, little duck buddies, are having a right feast there. Loving it. Loving it. So beautiful. I love the reflections on the water and all the trees. Silhouette. Ooh, blue skies. And duckies. Sorry, not the best filming. It's totally frozen over there, and over there you can see people have smashed ice on there, and it looks pretty cool. That's not pretty cool though. Litter, guys. Don't throw your litter. Put it in the bin. Put it in the recycling bin. You know? That's one thing I've been noticing, is just there's a lot of litter around, and some of it's even frozen into the water. Don't know if you can see. I'll show you. They're frozen in the water, a cone, and other various items. It's madness. It's so weird that frozen ice looks really... Obviously frozen ice, or ice is frozen. Well, you got dry ice, which, you know. But anyway, you know what I mean. Shattered ice. Right, it really smells of poo around here. But yeah, we should try and look after our... Well, we should not just try, we should do, you know, look after our environment and the animals and our beautiful landscapes. Because it's so nice here. All the trees. And, you know, it is within the city, so I know stuff blows about and things, but if we're coming into natural spaces, we should, you know, leave it in good conditions and not destroy things. So it seems people have been throwing stuff on here to see if it's truly frozen. Looks pretty surreal. There's a little ball over there frozen. Another cone. Crazies. So, I'm trying to think if I have any messages for you guys. And that's been coming through for me. A big one, as always, is gratitude. And, you know, I'm so grateful to live so close to these beautiful woods, and grateful for nature itself, and to have the energy today to actually come out and enjoy and breathe in all the beautiful fresh air. And yeah, so when we're counting our blessings, even when we're not in these beautiful areas, just within ourselves, counting our blessings, it's a beautiful thing, and we can't be sad when we count our blessings. Definitely. And another big thing coming up recently is, you know, alignment. For us to be, you know, fully aligned with everything, fully aligned with ourselves, and be manifesting everything we're desiring. So for me, I fully feel like I've been coming into alignment a lot more, and you know, it just takes little steps and trying to practice that frequently enough to get the momentum going and not be hard on ourselves when we're maybe not quite there yet. Or something I do sometimes is think about where I was at one point, and then I feel bad at myself or down on myself because I've got to get back to that point. But we shouldn't be looking at going backwards. We go forwards, even though we stumble a bit sometimes. You may stumble and feel like you're going backwards, or feel like you're not where you want to be, but you were there previously, or whatever. Sometimes we've got to feel like we're getting off the journey to get back onto the journey in a more deeper, profound way, with a deeper understanding of the life and love we want, you know? So just being easy with ourselves and gentle and kind, you know? We've got to treat ourselves like our own best friends and not our own worst enemies. So, oh my days. So, yeah, a good way to get in tune and get into alignment is by coming into nature and just being, you know, just enjoying. I like to take pictures and videos of the nature as I'm going around, and I find it so relaxing as well, just breathing in the fresh air and listening to the waterfalls, or sometimes just my music. But but nature has its own beautiful sounds, you know. And another way to get into alignment with ourselves is do the things that bring us joy. And if you're like me and have been suffering with some depression recently, sometimes when we're depressed it's quite hard to feel an alignment or get the motivation to do the things even that bring us joy, or even the things that we need to do, let alone the things we enjoy doing. So again, just be kind and gentle with yourself and start with small steps. And sometimes I think, oh, I won't bother doing something because I want to do the whole shebang, and I can't do the whole shebang, so I just don't do it. But I've been learning recently that it's okay. You can just do a little bit of doodling for 10 minutes. Or, you know, today I thought I'll just go out for a walk for a little while. I have to go on a big one, just, you know, out for a little bit. But it doesn't mean not go out at all, because I've been in the house for, well, I think this is the first time I've been out this year apart from to empty my bins. So it's just little and often, and taking each day as it comes, or each moment as it comes. Just practice one new thing at a time. If you're wanting to do new things, like for me, I was thinking, oh, I'm going to kickstart 2021, but then I've been feeling really run down and exhausted, so just have to listen to our bodies and rest when we need to. You know, that's another way to get into alignment with ourselves, is to listen to ourselves, listen to our bodies, take care and rest when we need to, eat when we need to. I'm really bad for that. I sometimes forget to eat all day, and it's like gets to the evening time and I'm like, oh crap, I've not even eaten yet, or I've just had a little snack at the beginning of the day. So help ourselves out, help your future self out. Sometimes I I've got alarms on my phone to remind me when to eat every day. Sometimes I switch them off there and then forget. But it is good to have that as a reminder, and I've got other alarms for different things just to help me remember, and then helps you get into that routine, you know. So yeah, I'm getting a bit tired now. So yeah, doing things you enjoy and being kind to yourself and listening to yourself. They're the messages I'm hearing. Oh my god, there is a robin. Just oh. Hello. Hello. Oh my god. Let's come over. Say hello. Hello. You are beautiful. I love you. So beautiful. Oh, so lovely. Thank you for coming over and saying hello. 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 I know. Hi to you. So beautiful. You're famous now, birdie. Oh, hello. I wish I knew what you were trying to say. Hello. I can't believe how close you are. Like, they're close right there. Hello. You gonna fly off? Hello. Go on, little friend. Be free. Fly free. Go on. For the camera. Oh my god. Thank you for saying hello, little mate. Hello. Oh my god, you're so beautiful. I can't believe how close you are. Oh. Doggy scared him away. Oh, he's only up there. Whoop. You are a legend, little birdie. I can't believe how amazing this is. Can you hear them? Oh my god, what were the chances of that? I can't believe how close that robin was. What? He stayed with me for ages as well. The dog scared him off a bit, but then he come back and it's literally like that far away from my face. Oh my god. Bye little robin, I love you. Oh my god. Oh, that makes the day so worthwhile. Can you believe that? I can't believe it. Always having these magical moments with you guys. That's how to get in alignment, when you see signs like that and you know you're on track, when the universe rewards you with beautiful little moments like that. Oh my god. Oh, the sky looks so cool. Ah, I better get out of the woods now before it's too dark. But I'm so glad I got to share that moment with you guys. Life is beautiful, hey? Well, I'm gonna go now. But it's been lovely chatting with you guys. I fully appreciate you so much and appreciate your energy and love you so, so much. Thanks for watching. Still hear the birds singing away now. So yeah, thanks for watching guys, love you loads, have the most wonderful day and get out into nature, share with the world what you've seen, you know? Well, we don't have to, the world's here and we're sharing all the time. We're always sharing with the world even when we're on our own, so yeah, nature is beautiful. Have a beautiful, wonderful day, love you guys, peace.